Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how we can easily earn money and how we can make money with Nexo. So let's start. Nexo is, imagine a crypto bank which is going to give you options that you give money to your crypto bank, and you're going to earn interest for your crypto. And how it actually works is when you would come here to the Nexo, and I'm going to zoom in, is that you're going to see ready to earn interest, grow your wealth with Nexo high yield savings account. And you can earn directly with Bitcoin, or you can earn in Nexo with their coin, I would say. So right now, when you're gonna earn in Nexo, you're gonna earn more money. And when you see the Bitcoin 8%, it's like, god damn, pretty good. But what is really important, and what is my recommendation for you to do if you want to go to the Nexo world and crypto savings interesting accounts, what you can do is to actually combine it with Celsius, which is also another company which is going to give you, similar to Nexo, options how you can earn money on your cryptocurrencies. Then also check out BlockFi. I just started BlockFi and I will show you straight away how it works. And I don't have a lot of money right now on BlockFi, so don't laugh at me, please. And wait a second, I will just paste it right here. And right now you can see that I got $55. It's from affiliate, so I don't really have money on BlockFi. And you see the total interest paid, accurate interest. And what is really great is just like reinvested it further, right? So you're gonna get money and invest it back. So that's what I would recommend and doing long term. So what you want to do is actually use Nexo, use Celsius, use BlockFi, and also check out Binance Earn, on which you could do it too. And this is the way how you can make easily money on multiple sites and diversify of risk. So let's say that Nexo would fall. Still, you're gonna have Celsius, you can have BlockFi, or you can have Binance Earn, for the sake of it. Now, when you would come here to the earn, you can also earn on Euro. And you see that you can earn in kind or Nexo. Again, you're gonna have like more money from it. And this is pretty much it, how you can do it. So it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. And now you gotta see also the video here, how you can earn. You deposit the money. So that's how we do it. Pretty straightforward, 5% interest. And you're good to go. So this is how you can actually do it, and this is how you can earn money on Nexo. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments if you share your own ideas. Another way, like Nexo doesn't have right now the affiliate, but that's something you can earn on Celsius and also BlockFi, that if someone is going to invest, they will give you like $10, so you can share it with your friends, and that way you can earn money too. So that's also how you can do and what you can achieve with it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope this video gave you some kind of value. You always need to keep in mind that every kind of crypto gives you different API. So BNB gives you like a lot, also with Bitcoin. USDT, understandable, gives you the most. Ripple gives you 6%. And Nexo got a lot of users. When you would go even to Nexo Google, look at the popularity right now. Look at this. Nexo, Celsius. And you see the popularity. BlockFi. So it's pretty popular. People are searching for it. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. What you can achieve with it. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.